Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Michael of Planner Time with Michael. Thank you all so much for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Planners Anonymous subscription kit. I am not sure which month this one came from, as I am kind of backed up in opening mine. I have several sitting waiting to do the haul videos on. So I'm not sure which month. I know it's from this year. But let's go ahead and get started. So when you order the kit, this came in the this pink bubble mailer. And the kit itself is in here. And then, as I've said before, I have a subscription for the extra sticker pack as well as the extra paper pack. So let's just get started. Let's start with the kit. So this is the kit. Like if you subscribe for the normal kit, you would get this as well as, let's see, which paper pack? Yeah, standard. See, this one says standard on it. So if you get the regular monthly subscription kit, this is what you get. And then I always add on the extra sticker book as well as the extra paper. Okay, so let's go. Here is the kit. I know I keep yabbering, so I know I have to stop that, and let's just get on with this, right? For those that like the ASMR. Okay, so this kit comes with a lovely pen, and obviously everything matches, all the colors. And this kit is again called Pink Lemonade. So you get this beautiful ballpoint pen, and it has the crystals in it, and it says Planners Anonymous here on the clasp. So each kit comes with a pen. I really like these. And then you get 3 washi tapes. I will probably open these up so that you can see them, because these still have the plastic on them. So let me open these up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I opened the washi tapes, and you always get like this thicker one. You always get a thicker one, kind of like the standard size one, and then a skinny one. Let's take a look at this thicker one. If I can find the opening here. Let me bring this closer to me so I can find it. Okay, so here is this one. Let me put my glasses back on. Here is, and it is a bunch of lemonades in those glass jars with, here, let me put them all out and then I will bring them up. Very, very pretty. It has the gold in it. Very nice. So that is the thicker one. And then here is I like to call this one like the normal, like the normal everyday one. So the normal size is what I'm trying to say. And then there is a real thin one. So let me find the opening for that. I need to get better at using washi tape. Well, first of all, I need to try and find the right there. I need to get better with trying to use washi tape in my spreads. I always forget to use it. But let me stand up and let me bring this closer. Hopefully it makes it easier to see. But very pretty, very pretty tapes. Okay, so let me quickly see if I can put those back. And I love getting their subscription kits. They are just so beautiful. I think the artwork is beautiful. The colors are stunning. The kit obviously has a theme, like this one is pink lemonade and everything matches. And I really enjoy these kits. Okay, well, maybe I'll leave that paper there so that I can use it as a backdrop. So let's go. Now in this one, you always get something, like there's always one, I think, surprise item. So I believe this looks like a pocket that you can put in your planner. What is this? Oh, this is like this is a sticky note pad. Oh, how cute. These are like sticky notes. The little, lemons? And this is, it's an adhesive pocket. So you could put this inside your planner if you wanted, or in a notebook or wherever. And you could put like little, I have a scrap piece Halloween paper, but you know, put stuff in there like that. Obviously not this, but so that Post-it note, like sticky notes, and then this. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Okay, I like that. I'm happy with that. And you get, let's go to the stamp set. Ooh, look at that. You get this cute stamp set. The straw, the picture. What does that say? Love. Really, really cute. So you get that with it. And again, like I said, everything coordinates. You get these couple of sticker pages. So let me pull these out real quick. And we can take a look at these. Now this girl, I don't know her name yet because I think it's in here. Summer, maybe? But she will be, you know, the character, I guess, if you call it, in this, you know, in this kit. But you have these lovely stickers. Very, very pretty. Love the bright colors. And then you have this page. Oh, beautiful. And again, this is one that you fold it and it kind of opens like a planner. When you put it in, you got the date stickers. Or I mean, the numbers, the days of the week. So very pretty. And again, this is still all part of the standard. When you order the kit, this is the standard kit. So let me just see if I can put that in there. And then here are some die cut stickers along with a card, like a theme card, if I can open this. I always have the hardest time opening these plastic packages, y'all. Why is it? Okay, so oh, there's one in there. Well, but as you can see, that kind of matches those Post-it notes. So let's go through these quickly. Here is the note card. When life gives you lemons, make pink lemonade. Oh, I love it. And then you have her. So you could put this in your planner. You know, you could punch it out and put it in there. You could, if you wanted to, glue it on there. This is really cool. Okay, so here are the die cut stickers. You get summer. And then you get some, dresses. I don't want to spend too much time, but I just kind of want to give you the gist of it. But just really, really, I think, stunning artwork. The colors, like I said, are gorgeous. So isn't that picture cute with all those lemons and whatnot in there? Some borders. Look, look, look. Ooh! Oh, just stunning. Some limes. Is that a grapefruit? Just absolutely. Oh, look at this. Wait, do I have it upside down? I have it upside down, y'all. This, like, lemonade stand. So cute. And then these are, I guess, boxes. Like that. And then you have the barrel. Oh, so cute. So those are the die cut stickers that come with it. So let me put those aside. And then let's open up the standard. Let me make sure. Yeah, this is the standard paper pack. So I believe it always comes with some scrapbook paper. What I call scrapbook paper. And a piece of acetate, or 2 pieces of acetate, I think, and a piece of vellum. So let's see this juicy goodness right off the bat. Oh, I'm loving it. I hope you can see it. This is like the acetate. You could punch this, put it in your planner. It's not showing up there. But see, it's see-through, but there is this piece, and then, yeah, or is this the, I don't even know how this goes, y'all. I love it, though. But you could put this, you could even cut it and put it in your planner, or cut it, use it as a dashboard, you know, however you wanted to use it. But that's the acetate. And then this is the piece of vellum. Is that not beautiful? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. All those colors, oh, stunning. So that's the piece of vellum. And then you get some, here are 2 pieces of this. They're front and back, so these are going to be the same. Look at that. Is that not cute? Oh, so stunning. And this one should be the same. Yeah. So you get the front and back. Again, all the colors match. Look at that. That's just, oh, you could cut these out. Like, you could even go like this, put it on the side of your planner, put this one, you know, on the other side or whatnot. Kind of like to frame it in. So let's put those there. Here are two more. Stunning shade of pink. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And then it, like I said, it is double-sided. So, so cute. Just so cute. I could see, even if you had a mini planner, like cutting this in half, I think it would fit in making covers, laminating these, making covers for your planner. Or again, just ripping this, putting it in your planner. So that is that one. Absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. And then you have this beautiful yellow. And then when we flip this, oh, look at that. That matches that piece of vellum that was included with it. Absolutely gorgeous. This might even make a nice cover if you wanted it to. And you could print out that quote, when life gives you lemons, you know, make lemonade. Oh, stunning. So this is the standard paper pack. And of course, like I've said, I can't just, you know, go with the standard paper pack. I have to go extra and, you know, get the extra. So let's look at the extra sticker, or the extra paper pack. And let's compare it to the standard. And I just totally ripped that plastic off, but that's okay because, you know what, ain't nobody got time for that. So you get the same piece of acetate. Okay, I know it's hard to see, but it's the same one as the other one. Then you get the vellum. The piece of vellum. Stunning. And now I believe these are different, right? So see, you have this green, and when you flip it over, just stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I think that one was not in this pack, right? It was this one, but this is more yellow. To me, this is more pink. So you get this. This, again, is in the extra paper pack. And then you get these two. So the pink and, oh, these are so beautiful. Look at the pink in there. Just, to me, this is gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. And then you get this yellow with, oh, look at how cute you all. Look at all those pictures, those glasses, sweet, pink, fresh. Oh, stunning. Absolutely beautiful. And again, you could cut it in half, make covers out of it if you have a smaller planner, or, you know, again, whatever. Just beautiful. Absolutely love it. Okay, so that is that. And then let's go on to the sticker pack. The pied de resistance, right? No, not really, but I just, like I said, I love their kits and they're just stunning. And this paper pack, you can, or sticker pack, you can use literally everything on here. I mean, you could take this cover off. This is like acetate. And you could use this as a dashboard. You could cut this out, cut the back out, put it in your planner. Just beautiful. But let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, so we have these beautiful stickers. Again, this is the extra. Just look at this, the gold in them, and there's Summer. That's the girl. You have a box. Just beautiful. And then you have another set. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And then let's keep going. So these are clear, I believe. I think this one's paper. I think this one's clear. Am I telling you the right? No, paper. They're both paper. This is the clear one. Oh, but just absolutely beautiful. This I don't think is cut out, but you can always take a knife and cut it out. So you can, like I said, you can use all of this. You have those, I forget what these are called. But sometimes these are fun to put in a box, so it's kind of like they're peeking out. And then you have this set, again, more days of the week, some habit trackers, boxes. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And then another set. Stunning. Another set. Look at these. Just so, so pretty. And then you get this one, again, to match that paper, that scrapbook paper. Just want to make sure this is there, that you can see it. Gorgeous. Look at these colors. I know I say it every time I open one of these, but I am in love with their artwork, their colors. Just stunning. These like washi strips. Again, another planner that you can fold and put in there. Well, like a planner. So if you open it, you can write in it like you're writing in your planner. And then functional boxes, checklists. And then these are, is that silver? Yeah, I believe that's silver. And you have your functional words, your numbers, if you want to redate your planner, more words, your days. How cool is that? So that is, I always hope when I do these unboxings, I always hope to that I'm giving justice to these kits because they are just stunning. But let me package this back up real quickly and let me show you how I store them. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I packaged everything back up. Not as neat as it came, but you know, it's in there. And I just use these zippered mesh pouches, I guess you call them. I will link them in the description box. I do have an Amazon affiliate link for them. So if you ever wanted to purchase these or anything else I have on there, it is no extra cost to you, but for directing you to that purchase, then I do receive a little bit of a commission. So what was I saying? Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm just going to, I put the papers in and I already labeled it with my label maker, my Brother P-Touch labeler, and then I just slide everything in. And I think these zippered pouches are perfect. I absolutely love these. And then I have one of those 3-level crafter carts, and I have them on the bottom, and I just stand them up like so, and then I have all of my kits. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will link a, whatchamacallit. Like, I think I will link... It's not an affiliate link, like I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but I do have a code, that's what I'm trying to think of, and if you use that code, I think you get 10% off, I have to make sure, but I think you get 10% off your first month's subscription kit, and then I do receive some points that later on I can use towards future purchases, so... I would appreciate it if you ever think of using, of subscribing to this, that you use that link. Thank you again so much for joining me today. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in another video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.